Hello, I'm going to give you a quick overview of our Modern World History database, our premier online reference covering the broad expanse of history from the mid-15th century to the present. First, let me show you what's in this database. If you click on the Sources link in the menu, you'll see right up front that the database includes more than 37,000 articles from an extensive list of encyclopedias, reference books, narrative histories, and journals. If you scroll down and click on a book title like Encyclopedia of Modern Latin America, you will see the complete table of contents. All of these articles, as well as articles from hundreds of other books, are included in this comprehensive database. Next, let's click on the Primary Sources tab. Here you'll see that we include more than 700 primary source documents, such as famous speeches, eyewitness accounts and correspondence, important treaties and agreements, and government documents, to name just a few. And every document includes an introduction written by our editors so that you can understand the meaning and context of the document and determine its relevance to your research. Now, let's take a quick look at the remaining Sources tabs. Under Images, you'll find a treasure trove of more than 3,500 images, including not only photographs, but full-color maps, historical maps, and illustrations, many from unique archives and museum collections. Want a map of the major European military actions in World War I? You'll find it here. Looking for maps of the famous voyages in the Age of Exploration? You'll find them here too. Under the Video tab, you'll see that we've included over 8,000 video clips from such well-known producers as British Path, A&E Networks, the WPA Film Library, the BBC, and many others. These are great for teaching and can even be embedded into practically any learning management system. The next tab is our Timelines. We have 10 different timelines covering both eras and regions, with more than 16,000 entries. And finally, our Contributors tab provides a partial list of the many acclaimed authors and academics responsible for the scholarship behind all that you'll find in this database. Now let me show you how you can use this database. Basically, there are two ways. One is to search for what you are looking for, the other is to browse. If you go the search route, you simply type in a word or phrase and you get relevant tabbed results organized by media type, with filters along the right rail to help you narrow the results. For example, let's type in apartheid and click on the search suggestion, apartheid. As you can see, you get a long list of relevant results under each tab. When you click on an article like the third one down, you'll get the full text of the article and information on where the article came from. In this case, the Encyclopedia of Independent Africa. If you click on any other tabs, you'll get whatever primary source documents, images, videos, timelines, and news that relate to apartheid. If you're coming to this resource without a specific search in mind, a great way to explore and get some ideas for a research paper is to browse our topic centers. Our editors have pulled together topic centers on each major era in modern world history, as well as on regions such as Africa and Asia and Oceania. Let's look at the topic center on the Americas. The first thing you find is a hand-selected list of overview articles that give you a broad understanding of the region in a sequential manner, starting with the colonial period through independence and modern Latin America. You'll also find a list of suggested research topics, which are the most searched and highly relevant terms for this topic. Next, on the right rail, you'll find videos and slideshows, key primary source documents, maps and charts, and a timeline. This page basically contains everything you might need if you were studying this region in modern world history or about to write a research paper. Finally, we have organized all of our resources, primary source documents, slideshows, maps and charts, videos, timelines, and topics in an A to Z list, all indexed by time period, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. So that's the quick tour. I hope you'll take some time to poke around on your own. We think you'll be impressed. If you would like to speak to someone about our flexible subscription plans, please contact us. We'd love to hear from you.